since 2019. Who did the procurement? What quantity? We want to know they supplied to who. Because I come from Busia County and every school has approached me asking for these sanitary towels. We want also to know, why do they give for 7 months? If they say 7 months, they don't care about the other months. If you think of giving somebody a sanitary towel, it means they cannot afford. So it means that these other months, they don't care whether these kids use rags, whether they get infections, they don't care. They only care when these kids are seated there. But what I am sure of, every school in this country, Kenya, these people from the Ministry of Education, I do not think they even have a data of who they have supplied to. And if they have, we want them here. And we want the ESCC to investigate them and give us a report. Every public toilet, if you go, and every hospital, you will find condoms for free. You can go and pick. Why are they not keen to distribute these sanitary towels to every day school, public school in every county, just the way they do condoms? Because when we talk of infections, these infections come because of dampness and because these children don't afford these classy kind of pads. So the Ministry of Education has failed us because the women reps are supposed to be distributing. The whole of this year, I'm 1 year old in this parliament, but I've never been asked by the Ministry of Education to help supply the pads. So who is supplying? We cannot be saying that we are supplying as a government, but you are just supplying air, what you call hot air. We want the pads now, not tomorrow, I heard that they've said from January they will start supplying. Does it mean every woman in Kenya stops menstruating until January? We want the pads today, or we are headed in that office if you don't help. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much. I think we ventilated sufficiently. Let us move to the next statement, and kindly do not respond to your earlier statement or what has been said about it. Majority Leader, you have your statement, understanding order 44.
Honorable Speaker, I